Just add a spoonful of coffee to Coca-Cola and you might end up thanking me forever. I know it sounds strange, almost unbelievable, but once you see the result, you'll never look at greasy pans the same way again. I didn't believe it the first time either. I thought it was just another internet trick. But after trying it once, I started using this every single time my pans looked dull and ruined. Stick with me until the end, because you're probably going to want to try this today. Let's start. Take a bottle of Coca-Cola and open it slowly. Be careful because it's fizzy. Now pour about half of the bottle, roughly 250 milliliters, into a clean container. Don't throw the bottle away yet. We're done with it. But that detail matters. Before we continue, comment below with your city so I can see where you're watching from. I really like knowing how far these tips reach. Now comes the ingredient most people never expect: coffee. Add 3 teaspoons of coffee grounds directly into the Coca-Cola. It can be used coffee or fresh coffee. Both work perfectly fine. This is where the magic starts. Next, add 1 tablespoon of regular table salt. Nothing fancy. This helps loosen the stuck-on dirt without damaging the surface. And now, to finish the mixture, add 2 tablespoons of dish detergent. Any brand works. Any scent works. Just use what you already have at home. Mix everything very well until you get a uniform, slightly grainy solution. Take a good look at it. This simple mixture is stronger than many products you pay good money for. If you're going to try this at home, comment yes so I know. Now let me show you why this works so well. Look at this pan. Burnt spots, grease that looks permanent, years of use. Most people would scrub for hours, use steel wool, or even throw it away. But watch this. Apply a generous amount of the mixture to the pan and start scrubbing with a regular sponge. No force, no aggression, just gentle circular movements. In just seconds, you'll see the grease lifting. The coffee and salt act like a natural exfoliant, while the detergent and Coca-Cola break down the grease and bring the shine back. After a few minutes, rinse it with water and look at the difference. The stains are gone. The surface is shiny again, and your hands? Still soft. No burning, no dryness, no harsh chemicals. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I really want to know what you think. And it doesn't stop there. This mixture also works incredibly well on sinks. Pour a little around the edges, rub lightly, and watch the stainless steel come back to life. That dull, stained surface becomes clean and reflective again. Now think about this. How many times have you spent money on products that promised miracles and did nothing? I've been there. Sprays, powders, expensive cleaners, all disappointing. But this works. It's cheap, simple, and made with things you already have in your kitchen. Share this tip with someone who hates scrubbing pans. When you try it and see the result, come back and tell me how it went. I love reading your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.